cameras captured the terrifying moment when an entire hillside collapsed due to continuous rainfall. A day before this dramatic footage, local authorities noted a high risk for landslides and issued a Level 3 geological disaster warning for the area, an alert which is triggered by extreme weather events. As the slide inched along with incredible force, it crashed into an apartment building, effortlessly toppling the structure. Rescue crews were deployed, but no casualties were reported, likely thanks to the early warning.